Hello everyone to this new video. So today we are going to test Gemma2 which just released a few hours ago. So let's try. So first you will need to install it with Ollama. So um, I already downloaded it. So you just have to enter this command. So after you run the command, you will be able to talk with him. So as you can see, he likes to use some emojis, which I personally really like. So it's the smallest of the two versions, but we will try some experiments. So first, we are going to see if it's really censored. So let's try asking him something illegal. So as you can see, it's lightning fast, but he said that he cannot provide any information on illegal activities. So now let's test his ability to talk different languages. So I will try in French because I'm French, so I can test if it's any good. So let's try. In fact, it is good in French. So a cherry on the cake in French is really la cerise sur le gâteau. It's a common idiom in French, just like in English. So I really like the way Gemma is talking with us. It's really like someone who is happy, um, who use a lot of emojis. Personally, I really like. So now let's try his coding capabilities. So we will ask him to create a snake game in Python, and we will try it. I have some difficulties to use Python, so forget about it. But Pylint doesn't seem to find any errors, so it seems good at looking at the code. So it should be good to go. So yep, hope you find this video helpful, and please subscribe and like the video. Goodbye.